I want him to do run. Look at him. Come on, Sammy. Oh my goodness. No way. Come on, Sam. Rabbit or cat? You coming? Come on. Hurry up, Sammy. No, Sammy, leave that alone. He's eating grass and making a bear spot. Here, Sammy. Oh, clog your jaw. Here, come on, get up. Quit eating grass. My gosh. Stop. Come on, let's go. Come on. You ready? Here, look. Go get it. Oh, now who got his attention? I don't know, but he needs to lose some of that energy, huh? Look at him go. You always go to that same spot.